Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, generate random whole numbers with JavaScript. It's great that we can generate random decimal numbers, but it's even more useful if we use it to generate random whole numbers. Use math.random to generate a random decimal. Multiply that decimal by 20. Use another function math.floor to round the number down to its nearest whole. Remember that math.random can never quite return a 1, and because we are rounding down, it's impossible to actually get 20. This technique will give us a whole number between 0 and 19. Putting everything together, this is what our code looks like. Math.floor and inside of parenthesis math.random into 20. We are calling math.random function, multiplying the results by 20, then passing the value to the math.floor function to round the value down to the nearest whole number. The task for this challenge, use this technique to generate and return a random whole numbers between 0 and 9. So, in the same way, we will do this is math.floor. So it should be between this. So into 10, and since 10 is exclusive, so it should be between 0 and 9. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.